Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Welcome back, everybody. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment below. Everyone was buying in with good fucking results if they sold into the Doge hype. And like we always say here, it's buy the news, sell the fact, baby. And let's look at Doge real quick. I mean, it's incredible. Incredible how we called this. Yes, I know it got higher before it went down. But look at this. Right, going to where we said. We said it was going to go down here. All right, it pumped a little fucking bit higher. From the top, it pumped 16% higher. Almost 17% higher. But I smell the sharks in the water, ladies and gentlemen. You can smell it. You could look at this like this, and we had a miniature one down here, and it played out to the target. You could look at your left shoulder. There's your head. There's your elongated right shoulder. You see that? It's elongated. And you could say it's on an angled head and shoulders topping pattern. And there's your neckline because you got support, pump, support, shoulder, support, straddle, now broke. Right? You see all that? It's not that complicated to see. It's pretty easy to see, right? When you just draw it out like that. It's not hard. It's very simple. We see we have a comment up there. That's what we like to see. Fellow subscriber up there. That's what we always like to see. Like, subscribe, and share. But you can see it broke that neckline. Now, the target move out of that would be the top of the head to the neckline. And then the point of the breakout, which there's your breakout. Look at that. We're getting close. Scroll that out. We're getting close to that 3-hour pattern. Now, let's see if that looks like it's going to start forming something else. Ooh, look at that. Our much bigger pattern. Let's go to the 4-hourly daily, or the daily time frame, because you can even see it there. Look at this. Well, it's better in the 4-hourly because we don't have enough data points yet in the hourly. But look at this. Look what we're forming, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get a good look at this. This is how our probability-based forecasting software system works. We've seen this. We get all the data that we can put in. Look at that. Left shoulder, head. Look at that. I think I already drew that out. I did. See? Look at that. We even got a bigger one over there. And then you see this is the head forming, right? It's clearly easy to see. That the head forming, right? And then you go, well, that's all we have. Yeah, but our probability-based forecasting models show with high likelihood you're going to get this to kind of come down and trade all the way down to the neckline. Then you're going to get a overshoot back up and then back down, right? You see that? And that would bring your right shoulder in the future. That's what we got going on here. Let's zoom back in. Little head and shoulders, which all is this part of the reversal pattern up here, is forming the head. And now we got to come down and form the neck of the head. And then we get closer to the neckline that's down here that's been established. It's lower than that. And then we're going to come back up and form the other shoulder. That's all we're doing here. We'll make this a little smaller. These stupid dots out that I just put on there. Get that shit out of there. Shit out of there. Shit out of there. Make that a little smaller so you can see the price action behind it. And that's coincidentally too. It ends up at the 200-day moving average and the 1 hourly time frame. Look at that. We got a subscriber. It's what I like to see. Like, subscribe, and share. It's a beautiful thing. But that's what we got going on here in Doge. So if you're in Doge now and you bought in, if you bought Doge and you're over that fucking neckline down there, you're going to be in some trouble. Doge has got a long way to come down. It's could be in the future a great up if you're just long hodling it. If you're hodling it for the long term, don't worry about it. Just buy more when it goes down 50% again. It's worked so far. Why wouldn't it work again? You do what the pattern's done and you do accordingly until the pattern suggests otherwise. But if you just bought in up here, if you're not willing to take and sit on a 50 to 60% loss for an extended period of time, which means weeks to months, at least weeks, 3-4 weeks, but more likely months to play out of a pattern like this, because you can see it started from this. I mean, it's working quick, but at least weeks if it's to go up and another leg up, and this is just a temporary topping consolidating pattern. You still got to be at weeks, you're going to be looking 40, 50, 60% down. So this would be an emergency alert sell for me here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto. We would say this is a critical selling point for Doge, because we've been telling you this reversal is coming, and it took a little bit longer. We were a little early. That happens a lot when you can see this out into the future. You're a little early, but it's better to be early than late, because it's easier to sell on the way up than on the way down. Remember that. So that's a critical thing right there. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's having a hard day. But then we go to gold, it's up 28%. And AAU, just a brief update. I mean, I think this is a great buying opportunity. You got the exact opposite of what's going on in the pump. You want to get in before the pump. And this is a great time to get in before the pump, not buying into the top of the hype. Everyone's talking about the stupid Saturday Night Live. It's going to fucking sell. You sell the fact, you buy the rumor. The rumor was this was going to go on. The fact is it's coming on, it's going to fall. Look at AAU. We got critical things going on. We got bottom and a bottom, which looks like the start of a W, which would be here to confirm the W back up to overhead resistance. And we think this is about to explode. This is an emergency buy for AAU and an emergency sell for Doge. And what did we learn? Why do you buy AAU? Because nobody wants it right now, and it's a junior mining company, and they move like a roller coaster. And its last hump was down because its prior hump was up. It's way oversold right now. And you don't want to buy AAU, which all these fucking guys in the email always come back on me after the price is up here. 75, 80, 85, 90. Should I buy now? Should I buy now? Motherfucker, I said buy before the hype. Buying before the hype is fucking buying it now. On this beautiful, sunny, gorgeous, late fall, early May day in the greater Bloomington, Illinois area. It's beautiful outside. And what's also beautiful is this buy range, because your time is running out to buy on here. Pretty soon, this will not be a buy alert from us at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. It'll be a hold alert and then a sell alert. You buy before the run. Once the run's happening and you're up here, you do not buy. You do not buy up here. Okay? You fucking buy down. You buy down there. Emergency video. This is about to explode. Like, subscribe, and share. This was just a quick update. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to hear. Peace and love. Peace and love.